Hi, my name is MJ and I'm the founder of BacklinkManager. Welcome to this short demo of BacklinkManager, a CRM built for digital agencies to help them with their link building operations. We allow monitoring links, organizing all of your data, reporting it to clients, and managing the clients themselves. Let's kick it off by looking at the clients module. I just defined a new client for us here, which is called Rockefeller Records, and we're going to add some backlinks for them by bringing a spreadsheet file, which is super simple. Let's find it. Once you upload it to our system, we require pretty much two things. If you have a header row, first check it. And the first thing is, where is the link coming from? The second thing, where is the link going to? There is a bunch of other optional stuff that you can map as well to help you easily label your data, assign a specific date to it, or assign it to specific clients. Here we are with our data mapped, and then we can just hit upload data. It usually takes a very short while, depending on the chunk of the data that is meant to be uploaded. And as you can see, that's already done, and we have a bunch of links added to our links tab. The link are being crawled straight away. So first we can in the meanwhile check our links tab. So it's a breakdown by statuses of do follows, no follows, all the links where the page is responding but we couldn't find it, or the pages that are down or uncrawlable. Um, and we can also group the links by any kind of labels we want to easily access them. So if you have specific links that you paid for, maybe you still are awaiting some payments, maybe some are inserts, the other are digital PRs. That's very easy to organize by creating labels and assigning this to specific links. Um, once you have control over that, you can go a bit deeper. So targets is a module that allow you to look into the sites that you actually build links for and get organize it to your liking. So see how many links has been built to your specific pages, how close are you to reaching the goal. So if you want to build 7 links to this site, we already exceeded that by having 12 active links. You can assign the priority. What is the keyword that you try to position yourself for, or that your customers ordered. And we can of course group the targets just as well into however you see fit. So be it by campaigns, be it by specific clients, or maybe by types of pages, like are these landing pages, are these blog posts, are these some comparison pages to your clients' competitors. However you currently organize that stuff, you can easily do it in Backlink Manager as well. Once you get that under control, you can see what partnerships are about, which is pretty much an interface of cooperating between different users in Backlink Manager. We can hit it off by looking at a draft partnership where not much is going on right now. We've added some targets to it. So these are the pages you expose to the other side that you potentially work with or want to work with, be it vendors or some partners for link exchanges. And then they're allowed, just the same as you are allowed, to add links to these partnerships, and these links land in their respective accounts. So if your partner adds some links for you, they land in your account, are crawled, and you can easily and quickly see, okay, I got this link from this partner, so it's going great. I got 7 links from this partner, so my balance is great because I got 7 more active links than they do. Yeah, that's just one of the ways to organize of actually what's going on with the link building operations. And then we hop back into our clients module that we started off with, and see that a specific client has their own page here. You can assign different team members to know who manages these clients. You can see how many links has been built over time for these clients. What's the breakdown by statuses? So what's the number of do follow links? What's the number of no follow links? You can quickly see all of the links that has been built for these specific clients. Of course, each piece of this data is can be changed and adjusted as you see fit. So adding labels from this place it's a no-brainer pretty much. Of course, this is searchable, and you can pretty much access all of this data with great ease. You can create dashboards for your partners, which is pretty much an interface, that is a link that you can send to them, and they will be able to quickly access and see all of this data and everything that's been going on for them inside of Backlink Manager without having an account. So they don't need to register, go through any hoops. They just open the link and then they see the graph of how many links has been built over time, what's the status of these links, and then they can search this table, filter it however they see fit. One interesting thing here is that um, you can adjust it however you want. So if you want to get rid of the widgets, you can get rid of the widgets. If you don't want to show the statuses of the links to them, for example, because some link expired after 5 years that you've been working with one client, that's absolutely doable. So this is heavily customizable, and you can create these dashboards however you fit. What kind of data you want to expose, what kind of links do you actually want to gather and put these in dashboards. And of course, there's an option to white label them. So if you want to add a different outer with different logos, so if you do some white labeling for other agencies, that's totally doable as well. You can also create reports, which are pretty much like snapshots in time of the data. So these can just as the dashboards, these can be sent to anyone, and they don't need to have a Backlink Manager account to actually access this data, filter it, and go through it just as well. Reports can be sent to anyone, so it's not attached to specific client. You can send them to your shareholders, and you just need to choose what kind of links are you looking for. Are all of the links interesting for you, or maybe just the active links? What's the date range when you want to have them? The links being added to, and then you can filter them however you want. So if you want links only built by specific people from your team, that's totally doable. If you want just the links just to specific pages, or maybe to specific clients, or from specific labels, or from specific partners, that's totally doable to put it in a report like this that's generated and ready to send to whoever you want to send it to. We also have this semi-automated task list, which is heavily correlated with what's going on in Backlink Manager. So whenever you add a link to the system, we create a task for you, and unless we find this link, it's going to wait for you here. Once the link is detected live by our crawler, we'll automatically close this task for you. And the same goes where you lose a link in Backlink Manager. So we were able to find a link on page A, but for any reason, like be the server crash, or maybe someone didn't pay for hosting, but we can't crawl this link anymore, we're going to create a task for you so you know that there is something that you should probably be following up, because it used to be here, but it's not anymore. However, if that page went up and we can crawl it again and we find the link again, we close it automatically for you, so you don't need to be bothered by this. And this pretty much sums it up, that what Backlink Manager can offer you. A full overview of what's going on with your links, easy way to upload all of your data in bulk, and keep an eye of what's going on, and don't let the links go to waste.